Hey, I wanted to give you a personalized way video tutorial, whatever you want to call it, of how to set up links for your own doTERRA page. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And you'll start by going to doTERRA.com. And you will, am I logged in? You'll need to log in. That would be a good way to start. And you're going to actually open up 3 tabs across the top. So I will show you how to get there. The first tab that you're going to open up, you're going to go to Account, and you're going to go to Account Profile. When you get to Account Profile, you will scoot down and go to My Site Address. You're going to want to make sure that you have switched to the new site design on Yes. And then you're going to be paying attention to all of these places down here. Now notice that there's a title on the left and a link on the right. None of these links can go to anywhere but somewhere on the doTERRA website. So if you want to send a link to some other website, it won't allow that. All right. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to take your current site address, whatever that is, you're going to copy this. You're going to open up a new tab, and if I can get this out of the way, there we go. We'll paste that there, and that will show you exactly what your website looks like right now. If you don't have a picture there, there's a place on that first tab where you can upload your own photo. If you scroll down, it'll show you how to select an image. If you want to change this section right here where it talks about your little introductory or whatever, they have a place right here where you can do that, up to 200 characters, not a lot of room. So that's where all of that is found. All right. So how do you actually add these links? You're going to open a third tab. Matter of fact, come over here to your account and click on link generator, but right click on it, not left click. Right click on link generator, open in a new tab, and that's going to be this second tab here, and this is where you're going to generate a link. All right, so what 3 tabs do you have open? Tab number 1 is your business site settings that you got to by going to Account Profile and then scrolling down to Business Site Settings. I don't know why that's down. There you go. And this is where you're going to actually be pasting all of the different, why is it doing that? I don't know what it's doing. It's kind of freaking out of me. I'm going to refresh this. All right. This is where you're going to have all of the different links that you're going to actually post. These links that you paste here are going to show up on this website here. Okay. Where do you create those links? That's on this second thing on the link generator. So let's say I want to have a hormonal support kit. Now, I'm going to come over here and say it's an enrollment link, not a guest bag, not an education. You always have an enrollment link. Click on that, create an enrollment link, and I'm going to say, what do people need? I'm going to pick your own products. Now, I want you to notice something. You can actually have any of these kits that they already have chosen. If you like the Meta Power kit, you can pick that and make your own link with that. But we're choosing our own. So this is where when you click on this, you click on the link generator, you click on create an enrollment kit, then you choose pick your own, and then you'll start putting in whatever products you want to include. So for hormonal stuff, what am I going to have? I'm going to have the phytoestrogen essential complex. I'm going to add that to the bag. Okay, click the X to get rid of that. There it is in the bag. What else am I going to do? I'm going to have a Clary Calm, the roller, not Clary Sage, Clary Calm, right there. X out of that. Is it in there? Yes, Clary Calm is there. Phytoestrogen is there. What's my total going to be? I'm at 70 PV $73.95. Why is there a difference? Because sometimes you have a difference. This is 34 and 34. This one's not. 36 PV, $39.95. There's your difference right there. Usually with oils, it's the same. Not always with supplements and other items. Okay, what your goal is for their sake, and there's a lot of reasons why, you want this PV to be 100 if at all possible. What do I know a lot of problems are with hormones? A lot of times people have toxic stuff in them and they need liver and kidney support. So I'm going to add Zendocrine. Zendocrine, not the blend, but I'm going to add the detoxification complex. I love the detoxification complex. Okay, close out of that. And now where are we at? We're at 91. We still want to get to 100. All right. I don't know who's going to want to click this, but if they want to click this and they want to actually have all the things that I think they need, I'm actually going to add all the things they think they need. You can worry about people's budget. You know what? Anybody that clicks on this link after it's generated and sees everything that I've got in here, they can click the little X buttons and they can get rid of anything they don't want to buy. So if I put more items in there than they want, they're going to be able to go in and get rid of them and not have to buy them on their end. There's little X's next to all of them. So what do I think is most important? I think lifelong vitality. LLV for lifelong vitality is going to be the most important for them. Cleanse and Restore Kit, yes. The bottles. Oh, it's too bad they don't have the sachets. I wonder if they have sachets. Hold on a minute. Because to me, that makes it easier. Those, they don't have it. I wonder if they're out of the sachets right now. Maybe that's why. Okay, regardless, we're going to go ahead and add lifelong vitality. Why am I putting in lifelong vitality for hormonal support? Because hormonal support is an imbalance. There it is down there. Now I want you to notice that you can click customize, but I want to answer the question about why did I put it in there first? Hormonal support is an imbalance. It usually means you have too much toxic stuff going on in your body and you don't have enough good stuff. How do you get healthy? Good stuff in, bad stuff out. These three are a way of getting bad stuff out. This is a way of getting good stuff in. So lifelong vitality is the cornerstone, the foundation for anybody's wellness regimen. It's just a wonderful place to start for everybody. They also make it in vegan. So if you know that somebody's vegan, you can always set up something for them. Or if you just like vegan for whatever reason anyway, you can go ahead and just choose vegan in here. It's a little more expensive. I think it's $5 more, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to customize it. I want you to notice, what can you add? You can add the collagen. You can add MetaPower beadlets. You can add extra of the food nutrient complex, extra of the omegas. You can add Mito 2 Max for energy. You can add PB Assist for digestive balance, the Kids Kit, Terrazyme, Deep Blue Polyphenol. You know what? I would add Terrazyme. Why? Helps with detoxing. So I'm going to go ahead and add the Terrazyme. Do you think that I should add Deep Blue Polyphenol? Why would I choose that? I would choose that because it helps with aches and pains. If someone's got menstrual issues or other things going on, they might want that. But you know what? Not only women need hormonal balancing, so I'm just going to leave it at that. All right, I'm only adding the Terrazyme, and I'm going to click Save. Now you'll notice that it shows the Terrazyme underneath it. Where are we at over here? Oh, we're at 168. That's beautiful. That means they're going to get a free Pebble diffuser as well. If they stick with this amount, they can go in again and take out anything. This is going to be the hormonal support kit that I have. Claricalm, phytoestrogen, Zendocrine, lifelong vitality, and capsules, the Terrazyme capsules. All right, I do have a promo code for the month of July, because I am doing, is that the right one? Yeah, I am doing Silver Club. So I'm going to come over here and go to my classes and click on that. That is my code right there. So I'm going to click on that code to copy it. And then, oops, where'd we go? There we go. I'm going to apply that promo code right there, USSC236LGZ. I'm making this video in July of 2023, and that is my current Silver Club code. If you're watching this video after July, ignore all of that. Unless you have another promo code to add, then you can do that. Okay, so it says that it's getting a free citrus bliss. Blah, blah, and if you scroll down, there is the free citrus bliss. All right. What do I do once I have everything in here that I want? I click next step. I can add a sponsor. A sponsor is someone under me who is set up to have people under them. If you don't have many people under you who are able, and all of them are just customers, then you can't add a separate sponsor. But if you have someone under you who wants to grow a business under you and is set up for that, you could choose to add a separate sponsor. You would click add a separate sponsor. You'd put that person's ID here, and then you would go ahead and add them. But we're not going to do that right now. Instead, what we're going to do is click generate link. New page. There's all of the items. It included my Silver Club promo there. I have myself as the sponsor and the enroller. It's got all the things. Now I'm going to give this link a name. I want you to notice that this name is for me, just so that I know. So I'm going to say Happy Hormones. And then I click save. Now that is going to be, I'll come back, I'll show you where you find that. But this is my thing here. Okay, this is the actual link that will lead somebody to this shopping cart with all of these items in it. So I'm going to copy that link. Why? Because I'm going to go over here, that first thing I opened up, and I'm going to go ahead and add Happy Hormones. Do I have one? No. So I'm going to click add new link. I'm going to click that URL here. That's the same link that we just created. What am I going to call that? Fix your hormones. No, I want you to notice they won't allow you to have anything like heal or fix. They won't let you to use words like cancer or rheumatism or arthritis. Those are all no words for us. So we're going to have to title this. Look at my other titles. I need more energy, restful sleep. So what would I call this? I'm going to call it the Happy Hormones Kit. We'll see if they allow that. If I click save and they get the little check mark, they allowed that. They saved it. Yay. Now, what if I had changed that and I said something about heal your estrogen dominance or something like that? I don't know if that'll allow it. Will it? It did. Ooh. What if I said heal your endometriosis? That I would be surprised if they allow. They allowed it? What? I still don't like that because it's for hormones, not just endometriosis. There you go. Click save. Now, I've just added a link to my back office. Remember, this was the business site settings underneath my account profile. That's how I got here. I came over here to create the link, to add all of the products into that. That was the second one. Now it should show up here, but the thing is, it doesn't. Why? Because I need to refresh. When I click refresh, look at the bottom. Happy Hormones Kit. There we go. Happy Hormones Kit. So it's added to my link. I hope that helps. I want to show you one more thing. Go back to the second tab where it shows where you created your actual link generated link, your personalized link. Now we're going to call it done at the top because we did finish creating that link. And now when you come here to your thing initially, like if it was over here, initially, how did I get there? I logged in, I got to account, and I went to link generator, and this page showed up. You choose enrollment link, guest pack link, or education link, but you can also click link administration, and you'll see how funny I've been. I have done a whole bunch of these links. View 10. I wonder how many I could view. 50. I wonder how many it has. A lot of them. A whole lot of them. And the Happy Hormones kit is right there at the top. They have them by creation date. So Finding Harmonies here. I did another one earlier today. Here's one there. The Happy Hormones. Now, what if that, why do they do this? Because a lot of times people will come in and forget the code, and they'll come in and do it again and again and again. Well, guess what? You can come over here and you can just click copy link. And now I've just copied the link. What if I wanted to have a QR code for this? There you go. Right? There you go. That's how you do it. Let me know if you have questions. Hope you're having a beautiful day today.